Hi, I'm Kate, and I've been severely neglecting my backyard chores. So, today we need to do some chores. I have a few things um, that I've found naturally growing in my yard. One of those being, two of those being little baby fig trees. We're going to get those in a pot. Apparently, their roots can be damaging to cement and stucco or things like that. So I'm gonna get it away from. They're right next to walls, so I'm gonna get them away from the walls. Let's see, what else do we have? A lot of my wildflowers need some trimming. They are a little bit wild for wildflowers. Um, you'll see my actual vegetable garden it's so, guys, it's so bad. I've killed everything. I hope it can survive my neglect. My main issue is I had ordered one of those solar light things, or sorry, solar irrigation things, drip irrigations, and it died like a month after I got it. So it hasn't had consistent watering because I forget sometimes. So everything's died. It had cucumbers. I had different types of tomatoes. I also had, there was a cat or maybe a possum had gotten into it at one point and was using it for who knows, but it probably ate the seeds. Like, I don't know. I had to redo my garden once already, which put me a little bit later in the planting season. And then I got lazy and kind of lost my steam with it. So, yeah, the peppers look like they're still have a chance, but we'll see. And then, yeah, I don't know. I have potatoes that I need to get in the ground. I have a lot of things to do. So let's get started. This is the first fig tree. This one is way too close to our neighbor's wall, so we're gonna go ahead and get it up. This is a project for another day, but also where the second fig is located, right there. So let's get this one too.
Okay, so next up we have these palms here. I don't know if you're supposed to take the dead parts off, but I'm gonna. If you look over to the right, I'm going to show you a close-up right now, but that palm is starting to lean on the neighbor's house. There it is. This area needs some work too. But yeah, I can't get it down myself, so now it stays. This is my beautiful little Cosmo bed that I built. I love these flowers. They are so pretty. Next up is another bed that I put a bunch of wildflower seeds in. All the succulents were there. We've added that fire bush thing. Succulents grow really well here. Wildflowers we're kind of hit and miss on. There's a huge weed that just passed. We gotta get out of there. And then this tiny baby aloe.
Too. I probably should pull these up by the root. You want to tell me what these little red bugs are? Are these baby ladybugs? Did I find a baby ladybug? Look, there's so many. What are these? Are they ladybugs? Okay, so the bigger ones don't look like ladybugs though. Comment below what it is. Somebody tell me. Friend or foe?
Quick little visit from this guy. And now we're at our rose bed. We have some established roses here and some younger ones that we put in all different kinds of colors. Heading over here, we have mint And the psyllium. There's a tomato, a dying eggplant, habanero, cucumber, jalapeno, little plant corn, tomatillo. There used to be cucumbers there. Peas used to be there. A few more peppers. Another little tomato plant. That's a climbing rose bush. I can't wait for that to grow up. And some strawberries. A little closer view of the mint and the psyllium. That mint will never go away. We put it in this pot over here. Keeps coming back. These are raspberries. Got a little bit of grass seed in there. So we're gonna have to weed that out. Yoink. Okay, and then these are, I'm blanking, marigolds and basil. And the basil has gone to seed, so let that go a bit too much. And those definitely need deadheaded, but we will use those seeds all over the place because I love these and I'm gonna let them grow everywhere. We don't talk about Bruno over here. This is an abandoned project. Okay, and now we're gonna head over and water some things. This little guy did not make it. I found him on his back in another area of my yard. Now this is the new drip irrigation thing I got to replace the other one. It's really just the solar part that died, so I got a little bit more expensive one. See if that makes any difference. The setup on these is generally all the same, so I'm just using these connectors, the new connectors, to connect it to the lines that I already have in each of those garden beds.
Pay attention. This is important. Stop it. Okay. As you can see, the hose got me. And I think I'm done for the day. I think that's it. That's all I got in me for the day. Bye.
Actually, though, it was also starting to rain, so it was time to wrap it up, but I'm going to show you some things I didn't get to that I will in a future video. This is a little cactus corner I want to build up with a dragon fruit. I want that dragon fruit to arch over to meet with this lavender that I want to put on the other side over here, probably with this lavender. And I want to make all those into like hanging plants and stack them on different shelves and things. I don't know, big plans. Oh, these are another forgotten project. They never sprouted. I don't know. This is the second bed where the other palms are. I did also spread wildflowers all throughout here too. And since this video, actually, it is starting to come up. So these are my blueberries. And another close-up of this guy, RIP. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I'm going to try to have another video out next Friday. And I hope to see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.